Hi guys, my name is Laureate. I'm a design engineer, and this video is about SolidWorks computer aided design. So in this session, we are going to talk about how to use the Revolve boss feature. Okay, so this is a vase that I've already designed, and I'm going to walk you through designing this vase using the Revolve boss feature. So basically, what you need is a midpoint line, and then you have to just create half of this contour in 2D, and then we revolve it in a 360 format to create the whole solid. Okay, so let's go through it together. So this is our front plane. You want to sketch in our front plane. That's our center line. Then we have to be able to design out our contour, or the contours of what we are designing. And always remember to close your design. So if you've been following our tutorial for some time now, this should be an easy asset to be able to express by now. Okay, so I've closed my sketch. I'm going to revolve it around this center line. Okay, so this is the axis of revolution, and that's this center line. Okay, and voila, that's it. How about if I want to create it without the bottom solid? So in a sense, I'm creating a hole at the bottom. How do you go about it? Let's try that as well. Create a midpoint line. We design our contours however we want it to be. Then we close the sketch. So I'm going to revolve boss. Okay, I haven't closed the sketch. So let's close our sketch first. Then we revolve boss about this center line. Okay, it's okay. And then there we go. We have a baseless vase. Alright. So this is basically how to use a Revolve boss feature. I hope this session was beneficial to you. I'll see you in the next.